What did you do? What did you do? What's this? What? Excuse me? No. No. Excuse me? No. Sit. What? What are you doing? Oh my god. No, not my headphones. No. 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 I'm not playing with you. Stop. Stop it. What do you want? 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 No. Jesus Christ. What do you want? What do you want? Do you want to get on? Do you want to get on the table? Do you want to use me as a bridge? No. No. Come here. Come back. Still want to go on the table, don't you? Really want to go on the table. Go ahead. No. Come back. Really want to go on that table, don't you? You're falling. You really want to go on that table, right? Am I right? What are you doing? No, no. Alfie, no, no, no. Come back. Oops. I'm so sorry, honey. Oh, you licking my hand. You're licking my hand, baby Hazel. You're licking my hand. You're a baby. You're a baby Hazel. And you still want to go on the table. And there you go. Isn't this like agility? Like, oh my gosh. Wow, look at this. I wouldn't be able to do it if I was his size. And now he's gonna get back. When he's gonna get his thing, you're gonna give him this thing. Come back, Hazel. Oops. Did you get it? Are you happy? Are you happy now? You still. Oh, you want to go on the table now? So she wants to go on the table. But she can't because she's a goofy little Hazel. Goofy. Goofy, goofy, goofy. Goofy, 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 goofy. Goofy. Goofy, goofy, goofy. Yep, I guess that's about it. He got his thing. He's obsessed with it. And she's obsessed with it too. And now I have to take it away. Because otherwise you're gonna start barking. I don't know. This is a drug for dogs. Bye. Shit.